Hello friends, welcome to the first lecture on ETABS. In this video, we'll see the user interface of ETABS. So once you open your program, you will see this window over here. So you can see the latest news, you can see the resources, and on the resources tab, you can access the manuals of the ETABS. Okay, so if you're interested in reading the manuals, you can download any of these manuals and enhance your knowledge. After opening your program, the first thing that you have to do is go to File and click on New Model. You will get this model initialization dialog box. This video is just about the introduction of ETABS user interface, so we'll click on OK for now. And again just click on OK. So once you do that, you will land up here. So over here you can see that there is a menu bar, and below the menu bar there is a toolbar. So there is also a vertical toolbar. The tools that are available in these toolbars can also be accessed from the menu bar, and we'll see these things in the coming lectures. So the file menu over here helps you to create a new model, open a new model, close, save and save as, and pretty much does the same thing that other file menus do in other programs. The edit menu is for editing the grids or editing your model. View menu helps you to change the view of your model. So define menu helps you to define various things that are required in ETABS. Draw menu is for drawing the various items. Select menu is for selecting the different members of your model. Assign menu helps you to assign various things to your structure, for example the loads. Analyze menu helps you to analyze your model. Display menu helps you to display various results of analysis. Design menu helps you to design the structure. Detailing menu helps you to detail the structure. So options menu helps you to change various things in your ETABS. For example, you can change the display units, tolerances, graphic colors, graphic mode and other things. And similarly, tools and help menu do their respective jobs. Over here you can see three windows. The first one is the Model Explorer. So the Model Explorer pretty much does the same thing that you can do from these menu bar. So normally you don't need this window. Okay, so next window over here shows you the plan view. So right now it is the plan view, and the third window that is for the 3D view. These two windows are of the same object, which means that if you draw something over here, like for example if you draw a building, so the plan of the building will be represented in this window, and the 3D view of that building will be represented on this window. The 3D view is not like an architectural 3D, it is just the simple 3D view. We'll see these things in the coming lectures as well. So if you want to add any window, you can just click on this option over here and click on add new window. We normally don't need Model Explorer, so we can close this window. Okay, now we got two windows side by side. You can work on plan or elevation in this window and see the results of your actions in 3D window as well.